This is Renee with DIY Mental Boost. This is video number 2. If you haven't watched video number 1, click the card, watch video number 1 first before you head to number 2, because this will make no sense to you. You won't know what you're doing or why you're doing it. Video number 1, then 2. Okay, here we go. Take a deep breath. You have your list. I want you to briefly look at your list. What does it say? We're going to focus on that list for just 30 seconds. Go. Collect it all in. Remember, your list was brief as far as the length of your sentences, but you may have 15, 20 items on there. That's okay. Now, take a deep breath. All of those things we want to let go. And start your distraction. Did you figure out what the distraction you wanted to do? Whatever the distraction is, I'm not doing it for you in this video. You're doing it. Go ahead. You've got 30 seconds. Here's your distraction. You're doing good. Re-engage that mind. We've got 10 seconds left. You're doing excellent. Take a deep breath. We're going to step 3. Go to your happy. What did you decide it was? You're doing great. You've got 30 seconds. You're doing great. 30 seconds more. Great imagery. Visualize in your mind. Very good. Take a deep breath. Okay, let's look at our list. Just look at the list and you say all of these things. All of the what? Go through it. When you get to the end of it, let go, breathe. Go to your distraction. Re-engage your mind. You've got 30 seconds. Re-engage that mind. Make it good. If you're finding the one that you're using is not working for you, change it. Get another. Take a deep breath. Go to your step 3. Go happy. What did you decide to do? Very good. Take a deep breath. Okay, let's do it again. Another round. We're going to do 4 more rounds. Go look at your list. Look at, see what all it is. Capture it all in. Then take a deep breath and let go. Remember what let go means? Let go. Now you have the re-engagement of your mind. Step number 2. Do that. You've got 30 seconds. Take a deep breath in. Great job. Number 3, step 3. What is your go happy? Make sure you're feeling it. Make sure you're seeing it. Going to be really enhancing your visualization capabilities now that you do have. But we're using it for good now to visualize good. 30 seconds. Very good. Now you're going to go back to step 1. You know, I'm doing this actually with you. I have my little list. I'm doing this with you. Start 1, look at it. Let it go. Step number 2. Re-engage your brain. Ten more seconds. Great. Now go to step number 2. What's your happy? Ten more seconds. I got double distraction and double happy because I'm actually doing a video at the same time. And I love doing these, so. Take a deep breath. Okay, look at the list. Look at the list. What is it that you are going to be looking at? Breathe through it. Let it go. You know what let go means. On to number 3. Get your happy on. Ten more seconds. Okay, back to step 1. Get your list. Look at it. Make sure you're catching each thing you wrote down. Let it go. You remember what let go means. You can see it. Now step 2. Re-engage your mind. You can even do spelling the words that you came up with backwards. That's a good one to add in there if you need to complicate it up. Because as you get doing this, your brain gets used to the distraction. So you got to always amp it up just a little. Make that brain work. Re-engage it. Listen to the jams. What are you doing for your distraction? Got it? Take a deep breath. Okay, now let's go to happy. I got the same song I always do. Let it go. So this is a 10-minute video. That's all you got to do is 10 minutes. 10 minutes in the afternoon, 10 minutes in the evening. We'll see ya then. Welcome back when you come back.